I just got this in before we did the video, and honestly, not really a surprise. The National Weather Service put us in a red flag warning through Wednesday at 8 p.m. This is in effect for Atlantic and Ocean, as well as Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester counties. We already had a wildfire, a small one, along the parkway around mile marker 34, and that was today. Tomorrow is going to be even drier. We'll still have a little bit of a breeze and a very dry ground here. It's just not going to make for a good situation. So limit your burning and enjoy the weather we have, because today was looking very nice here in Atlantic City. Tomorrow is going to look nice as well. We do have a couple of showers this evening, but as expected, the further south you go is where you see the shower. The further north you go, the drier you're going to be. You see at 10 o'clock here, a shower getting into parts of Cumberland and Cape May counties. I think if you're north of the Atlantic City Expressway, you are completely dry for tonight. It's just a spotty shower or two south of there, mainly near Cape May. And then it's out of here as we get towards Wednesday morning. And then we see that sunshine. And again, that risk for wildfires throughout the day, especially with that strong May sun that really dries things out. I mean, you get a tan just sitting out there for about 15, 20 minutes this time of the year. It can dry out the ground pretty quickly. Here's a look at our rainfall totals through Wednesday morning. Few hundredths of an inch around the area. Once you go north of the expressway, you got nothing. For tonight, we'll talk about places that are mostly dry, but again, that shower there, mainly Cape May, Cumberland counties. Temperatures falling into the 60s, and we should be around 65 at midnight and lows around 60 degrees. Now, let me show you the humidity difference between Tuesday today here and Wednesday as well. So this was about 6:30 p.m. You see humidity 36 in Lakehurst, really the very dry areas in the northern part of the state. Well, you go into Wednesday, a much different story. You're going to see some 30s and 20s as we go into the afternoon here. There it is. And even at 8:30 p.m., humidity very low. And this is when we start to go up with that humidity. So minimum humidities during the afternoon in the 20s, and even during the evening dry for the most part, exception Cape May County. Bubble's going to be doing its thing as a little sea breeze kicks in. And that's why we have that red flag warning only for Atlantic and Ocean counties there in our region. We take a look at our gusts. Here it is, 25 miles an hour inland at 1 o'clock. That'll certainly do it in terms of creating a wildfire spread risk. We diminish as we go into our Wednesday evening. You'll want to make sure you limit your burning as you go into our Wednesday here. And even sparks from your vehicle can fly around and create fires as well. For Wednesday, high temperatures around 70 degrees inland, mid to upper 60s at the coast. It's a nice day. We just got to watch for that wildfire risk. Then we go into Wednesday night. We are going to have the potential for frost in some areas inland here, shore around 48. These are the areas I'm watching for lows to be 36 to 38. I know I wrote 40 on that last slide, but really depends on where you are. You know how it is in South Jersey. Places like Hamilton, Woodland, Mullica, that's where I'm eyeing some frost as we go into our Thursday morning, probably between 3 to 7 a.m. Here's a look at our inland 7-day. Cooler days, Thursday and Friday, both of this below average here. We even are below average on Saturday, and that's mainly because of some rain showers, primarily during the afternoon hours. We go into Sunday, it's likely dry, it's more seasonable, and then we're going to stay on the seasonable side as we go into early next week. Look over at the shore 7-day. Only around 60 on Thursday. You'll definitely want that jacket around. I think you can let the jacket go into Friday here as we do have warmer temperatures. And then again, same shower threat as we go into our Saturday. We'll have more details for you on this wildfire threat coming up with our Wednesday morning video. Keep it right here at PressOfAC.com/weather.